Hello. Quick message for you guys. It is kind of raining outside, so I'm next to a dumpster and in the rain. Just wanted to pop in and say that you don't need to take a massive amount of action all at once, all the time, every day, all day, all year, all month, all second, etc. Right? All you need to do to find success is by taking 1%. That's it. 1% action, 1% progress every single day. People think that you need to send 800 emails a day and contact 80 businesses and learn these things and read a book a day and all this other stuff that's not sustainable. Find what works for you, sustain it, be consistent with it, and you'll succeed. End of story. Never give up. And when all else fails, pivot, regroup what you did, try something else, figure out why it didn't work, try it again. 1% progress. Just because something doesn't work doesn't mean it's not progress, right? So take into consideration that you owe it to yourself to be consistent. You owe it to yourself to take 1% of action, of progress every single day, and then you will find that you have made 365% increase in progress by the end of the year. So let me ask you, what can you accomplish at the end of each year? Hell, even not even at the end of each year, at the end of each week. 7% of increase in progress. What do you think you can achieve during that time? So I hope that was helpful to give you a little bit of perspective, a little bit of mindset shift for you. I'm going to run inside before it rains again. I was out for a little bit of a walk, so I'm going back now. But I hope that was helpful, because that's something I need to teach myself also from time to time. Is just reminding myself that it doesn't require me to kill myself every day. It just takes 1%. So if there's anything that you got to take away from today, it's just 1%. So do that. Let me know how that sits with you guys, and if you find success quicker, a lot more achievable, a lot more digestible than you normally would, I'd like to hear about it. So leave that in the comments, or leave that on my Facebook, Sam Becker, IM_Sam Becker at Instagram. You guys can reach out. I hope you guys have a great day, depending on where you are, depending on when you're watching this. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk with you guys very soon as I go through this little alleyway. So talk to you soon.